Are the Huawei MatePad Pro good? MatePad Pro is Huawei's Android-based alternative to the iPad Pro and aims to compete with Samsung's high-end Galaxy Tab S6. As a whole, the MatePad Pro succeeds in its attempt to build a high-end tablet that deserves serious consideration, yet there are a few software roadblocks that mean it won't get Apple to loosen its iron grip. MatePad Pro offers all the trappings you'd expect to find on a premium slate: an elegant, lightweight design, a 10.8-inch display with a selfie camera, a rear-facing flash, and much more. In other words, Huawei's high-end Kirin 990 chipset, coupled with a 5G modem for high-speed mobile data, and a generous amount of RAM. A sturdy build, narrow bezels, and micro-curved edges make this tablet feel comfortable in your hands. In addition, it is extremely portable, fitting easily into backpacks, and supports reverse wireless charging, allowing you to charge 2 phones on the go. There is no headphone jack and only one USB-C port, which is a shame because the tablet is marketed as a pro device. But just because Apple and Samsung have eliminated headphone jacks, does not mean this is the right decision. Even when watching videos or listening to music, the Harman Kardon quad speaker setup provides satisfying audio. The Huawei M Pencil magnetically snaps to the tablet to draw power, but it is not as refined as Apple's Pencil or Samsung's S Pen. There is also a magnetic keyboard that serves as a folio case. Again, this is not the best tablet keyboard we have ever used, with its awkward key travel, limited tilt options, and lack of a trackpad making it feel very dated. In addition to suffering from all the issues that plague Android tablets, the MatePad Pro lacks access to Google mobile services. The built-in browser can be used to access their web versions, but you should look for workarounds and be prepared to make some compromises. In the UK, the price starts at £499.99, about $630, $900 Australian dollars, for the version with 6 GB of RAM and 128 GB of storage. As with other Mate devices, the MatePad Pro features metal and glass to give the device a premium look and feel. Besides having a 2560 by 1600 resolution and a wide 16:10 aspect ratio, this LCD panel is also DCI-P3 color rated for high color accuracy when editing photos using an advanced photo editor such as Lightroom, or when editing videos. The tablet can shoot up to 540 nits of brightness, and although there is no HDR certification, the screen looks sharp and vibrant at a 1500:1 contrast ratio. In addition, thanks to the excellent palm rejection, the tablet's narrow bezels do not interfere with how you grip the device. The MatePad Pro can also be complemented with a smart magnetic keyboard that acts as a folio case. In addition to this, the MatePad Pro cannot be tilted too far back, which makes it awkward to use if you place it on your lap. The rear camera is a 13MP lens with flash and phase detection capabilities. A punch-hole camera on the front is a fixed focal length 8MP lens that performs well for face unlocking, HD video conferencing, and taking decent selfies if the lighting is right. Huawei's MatePad Pro runs MIUI 10, Huawei's own version of Android 10 with no Google services. In addition to split-screen apps, you can open a second app in a floating window and drag it around the screen as you please. However, not all apps support multi-window functionality. The tablet is preloaded with the Huawei App Gallery, which is still missing a few essential apps, but Huawei is working behind the scenes to grow the list. With its generous 7,250 mAh battery capacity, the MatePad Pro can last up to 2 days with heavy use. This MatePad Pro comes loaded with features such as 40 watts fast charging with the included wall charger, wireless charging at quick 27 watt speeds, and reverse wireless charging, which we found to be an extremely useful feature.